Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to activate TracFone eSIM full step-by-step setup and installation guide. Step 1. Find your IMEI number. Open the phone/dialer app on your smartphone and dial *#06# to display your device details. Then copy or write down the IMEI2 or digital SIM IMEI number. eSIM activations specifically require the secondary IMEI slot. Step 2. Trigger activation on TraceFone. Go to the official TraceFone activation portal via a computer or another connected device. From there, select the option to activate a device with an eSIM. Now enter your IMEI2 number when prompted to check compatibility and purchase a service plan or enter an existing airtime PIN code. Now submit the request and wait for TraceFone to process the digital ticket. Step 3. Connect to Wi-Fi. Ensure your target smartphone is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. An active data connection is mandatory to pull down the eSIM file. Then keep the phone on Wi-Fi throughout the remaining installation steps. Step 4. Download the eSIM profile. For iPhone, look for a push notification reading TracePhone cellular plan ready to be installed. Then tap the notification to launch automatic setup. And if no notification appears, open Settings, then go to Cellular and click on Setup Cellular or Add eSIM. For Android, Samsung/Pixel, open your phone's main settings menu and navigate to Connections or Network and Internet. Then tap on SIM Manager or SIMs and select Add eSIM or download a SIM instead. Then follow the on-screen prompt to download the carrier profile automatically. Step 5. Test the connection. Now restart your phone once the profile installation completes and turn off your Wi-Fi connection temporarily. Make a test phone call and browse the web page to verify active service. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.